Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Katre, sports teacher from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Welcome you to the online teaching for the year 2020 to 2021. Throw ball. Let's know about game of throw ball. Index. The things that we will discuss about throw ball are: first, throw ball terminologies; second, scoring; third, protest; fourth, surface of the throw ball court; fifth, details about throw ball; and last one, net height and play field. Throw ball terminologies. Students, you can see in this chart, this is throw ball game term. In the chart, left side it is throw ball term and right side their explanation. Then, let's know about throw ball game term. The first term it is ball carry and their explanation, ball lift palm facing upwards. The second term it is body touch and their explanation, ball contact on body. Third term clash and their explanation, catch the ball simultaneously by more than one player. Fourth term dead ball and their explanation, after point side out, other decision temporarily suspending the game. Fifth term delay, their explanation, ball holds for more than 3 seconds. Sixth term double contact or touch and their explanation, ball touching a player 2 times or rolling along a part of his body. Seventh term double foul and their explanation, players on opposing sides fouling simultaneously. Eighth term foul throw and their explanation, below the shoulder level. Ninth term good and their explanation, ball striking ground in court. 10th term juggling and their explanation, ball slipping in hands at the time of receiving. 11th term jump service and their explanation, no foot contact. 12th term line crossing, their explanation, box zone line crossing. 13th term line touch and their explanation, at the time of service server touches the end line. 14th term movement and their explanation, stepping more than one step. 15th term net service and their explanation, service touching net. 16th term out, their explanation, ball falling outside the court. 17th term out of bounds and their explanation, service passing outside side net markers or touching the antenna. 18th term point and their explanation, scoring. 19th term service and their explanation, to start play. 20th term side out and their explanation, change of service. 21st term shifting and their explanation, player shifting the ball from right side to left side or left side to right side. 22nd term shooting and their explanation, not releasing the ball in one course of action. 23rd term time out and their explanation, allowable pause of rest. 24th term under net and their explanation, crossing under net contrary to rules. 25th term wrist touch and their explanation, for throwing the ball taking holding with the wrist support. Scoring. Throw ball is scored like a volleyball and uses daily scoring. That means only the team serving can score a point and does so when the opponent falls. The falls can include: first, failure to return the ball over the net. Second, a player touching the ball twice. Third, touching the net. Protest. Protest number 1. No protest will be entertained on referee decision. Protest number 2. Protest will be referred to the technical committee if there are other factors. A protest will be accepted when lodged by the manager, coach or captain of them within an hour after the game with fees prescribed by the organizer. Protest number 3. The protest fees is not refundable in any case. Surface of the throw ball court. First point, playing area. The playing area includes the playing court and the free zone. It shall be rectangular and symmetrical. Second point, court dimensions. The playing court is somewhat larger than volleyball court at 12.20 by 18.30 square meters, with the neutral box 1 meter on either side of the center. Third point, playing surface. The surface must be flat, horizontal and uniform. It must not be present any dangers of injury to the players. It is forbidden to play on rough or slippery surface. For international competition, only wooden or synthetic surface is allowed. Details about throw ball. Highest governing body, International Throwball Federation. First played 1940. Characteristics: contact, non-contact. Team member: 7 or 9 players per team on court at once and 5 or 3 substitute. Mixed gender: no. Type: indoor or outdoor. Equipment: throw ball. Presence: Olympic, no. Net height and play field. First, sub-junior boys and girls group. Net height from the center it is 2 meters. Second, junior boys and girls group. Net height from the center it is 2.10 meters. Third, senior boys and girls group. Net height from the center it is 2.30 meters. Play field. First, senior group. The ground measurement it is 18.30 by 12.20 square meters. Second, junior group. The ground measurement it is 18.30 by 12.20 square meters. Third, sub-junior group. The ground measurement it is 15.30 by 9.20 square meters. This is part 4 video of throw ball theory. In the next video, we will discuss about some important point and ground measurement. Thank you so much dear students. Take care, stay home and stay safe.